How to check if Microsoft Office is activated on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to verify your Office activation status in just a few steps. First, open any Microsoft Office app on your Windows 11 PC. Let me show you. Open Word, Excel, or PowerPoint from your Start menu. After that, click on File at the top left of the screen. From there, click on Account to open your account and activation details. At this point, look at the product information section on the right side of the screen. In the next step, if Office is activated, you'll see a green banner or a message saying Product Activated. This confirms your Office is fully licensed and working. From there, if Office is not activated, you'll see a red or yellow banner saying Subscription Expired or Product Deactivated. This means you need to activate or renew your subscription. At this stage, you'll also see which Microsoft account is linked to your Office subscription listed under User Information. Let me show you. Following this, if you want to check more details about your activation, open Command Prompt. Click on the Start menu and search for CMD and open it. Once done, type in the following command: cscript c:\program files \Microsoft Office \Office 16 /ospp.vbs /d status and press Enter. From there, the command will display detailed information about your Office license, including the license type, status, and expiry date. At this stage, look for the license status line in the results. If it says licensed, your Office is fully activated and working correctly. Here's an important note. If your Office shows as not activated, click on Activate Product in the Account section and sign in with the Microsoft account that holds your Office license to complete the activation. Finally, if you don't have a license, you can purchase one by going to Microsoft.com or subscribe to Microsoft 365 for access to all Office apps with regular updates included. And that's it. If this guide helped you check your Microsoft Office activation status, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.